Boker Tov, good morning. I have a special message for you today, though we're recording here late at night. So to my dear congregants, we're going to be studying Parashat Tazria Mitzora this coming Shabbat. And this parashat discusses primarily what happens when a person contracts leprosy, tzarat. Tzarat, we know from the Gemara in Masachet Erechin, is a punishment that comes as a result. One reason is because a person speaks too much lashon hara, too much gossiping, too much speaking evil about others. Now in the Torah, in Perek Yud Gimel, we see a phrase that keeps repeating itself with regards to tzarat. You have tzarat, you go to the Kohen, you wait 7 days, and it keeps saying, Lo fasaha nega, v'los fasaha nega, im paso tifseh. What does paso tifseh? What does this phrase mean? It's a very uncommon phrase in the Torah. And if you look at the Art Scroll translation, faso means to expand, to grow. I want to share an insight from a colleague of mine, Rabbi Gidon Rothstein, who teaches, if you look at Targum Onkelos, he consistently interprets faso as lehosif, osif, lehosif. Now, lehosif doesn't exactly mean to grow or to expand. It actually has a numerical, quantitative connotation. It means to expand, to multiply, to quadruple, to grow exponentially, very rapidly. And the concern about tzarat is not just that it exists as it is, but that it expands, that it grows, that it spreads very rapidly and quickly. This is something we could relate to with coronavirus, which is this terrible plague that we're all experiencing today. And we see how rapidly it has moved across the globe from country to country. And of course, the same thing is true of lashon hara. You say one thing about someone to 2 people, and then it expands. They speak to 2 other people, and then 4, 8, and it expands exponentially. This is why lashon hara is so dangerous. This is why gossiping is so bad, because it expands in a way that you can never stop it exponentially. And this teaches us about how there's certain things in life that can spread like wildfire. You see how quickly ideas and videos and text messages and Twitter feeds, how quickly things can speed across the globe very rapidly. And often these things can be very destructive. In fact, they could hurt people in terrible ways. And what we need to do in this time, what we need to do in this moment, the tikkun for this moment, is to spread good deeds, chesed, as rapidly as all these terrible negative things spread. Sometimes you just say hi to someone, you give them a smile, you appreciate them, you do a deed of chesed. You have no idea how much that can spread from them to somebody else. If someone does something for you, do 2 acts of chesed, then it will expand to 4. Someone else, those 2 people will do chesed for others. We need to counteract these negative but very rapidly moving phenomena with positive, with chesed, with a smile, with a good deed, with a word of kindness. And if we do these things, please God, we will be able to fight all this negativity in our world with light and with goodness. Wishing you a great day ahead. Kol Tuv.